Gotire mundu utwirite no nginya tunyitane. Kania. Na maigananite no nginya tukinye ha. Today is a memorable day for AIPCA Church because we have gathered here to commemorate the new beginning of our church, where the three leaders who have led three groups for the last 4 years coming together to say that this church can be united if we bring our heads together. We have met and said that from today henceforth we have decided as the three archbishops to have a handshake so that we can be able to unite our church. Out of the three boards, we shall come out with one board that will lead the church, led by the three archbishops.